Back in action, we're back in the action, boys. Man, my apologies. It's been actually 4 days since I filmed, which I try not to do often. However, weather's just been super great. And I told myself I needed a mental break, which is bringing my roommates outside for 4 days straight, getting the beers down, we're good. I don't suggest it unless you're of age, of course, obviously. Drink safe is the only thing I'm gonna ever ask you guys. And to thumbs up my video, every single video. Speaking of, please thumbs up this video. I'm back, man. Appreciate y'all. Let's get into it. This is a pretty simple video today, because I gotta, my mind is like blasted. A lot of sun, a lot of drinks. It's been a lot, so this is a good one to come back to. Speaking of things that are good, man, NameBranFam.com, y'all know is our website who is sponsoring the video today, guys. There is a link at the very bottom of the description. If y'all want jewelry, someone like this, it's not gonna be real, it's gonna be fake, but it's like real cool stuff. I handpick everything myself, and it's a real good price too. If you guys want to go check it out, you guys have been killing it. We just put up a dope tennis chain that everyone's been loving. We're actually almost sold out of that, and also a really cool bracelet. Just naming two things right there. One thing we don't say on the website though, well, first off, what we do say everywhere on the website is it's free, and all I ask you to do is pay shipping. What we don't say on the website though is you can actually add 2 free things to your cart for the price of 1 shipping. So definitely do that. Sometimes people only add 1 thing, which means I get a little bit more money. My profit margins really aren't big here, bro, by any means anyway. So it definitely add 2 things. I want you guys to be happy with it. NameBranFam.com. Link is at the very bottom, once again, of the description. Thank you. All right, man. So speaking of me being gone, usually I have a lot of people being like, Bran, are you alive still? You're usually uploading every other day. This time I got none of that. I don't know if y'all are just busy or what. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little hurt by it. I was kidding. But what I did actually get a lot, I was reading a lot of my comments as I wasn't filming for the past 4 days, and I got a lot of, Bran, you've just got a lot of real diamond jewelry. You unboxed it all last week, and what you didn't do is diamond test any of it. So I'm so glad that's what's on your guys' mind during this process of me maybe being in a ditch. Thankfully I wasn't. So that's what we're doing today, man. We're diamond testing this stuff. The actual reason we didn't diamond test my stuff in the videos is because, as you guys know, we used to have our $500 diamond tester. However, it broke. I dropped it on concrete. I screamed it was bad. Amazon not so prime. Just sent it. I say not so prime because it took forever. There's a little hole right there just to check that it actually was it, and it is. So boys, we have our brand new $500 diamond tester. I'm stoked. Dang, I didn't pre-charge this. My head is all over the place today, bro. But yeah, it's just gonna be kind of a quick video. I kind of like to add these to the arsenal because you guys know every once in a while when we do actually get real things for my setup, I call it, where my real jewelry, it's cool to diamond test it because we have a lot of people saying, Brand, it's fake, so this is what I do. So I don't feel attacked always. I'm just kidding, I really don't care. But without further ado, boys, we got 3 different pickups that we've had recently that we're gonna diamond test. Oh, she comes charged. I'm stoked. Let's go. Oh, I was just panicking. I'm like, this is gonna take a half hour. I don't have time for that. I do. I've got way too much time for that, but I wanna film now. So the things we're gonna be testing today, first off, is these little diamond earrings that we got here. I don't know, I guess it was last week at one point. She's ready, she's heated up, let's go. Sadly with these though, man, I'm gonna have to get rid of them because apparently I have a really allergic reaction to actual gold. Like these things are swallowing my earlobes, so, or they're like sinking into my earlobe. It's the worst. I've been sleeping on them and it's bad. It sucks also because I really liked them, which is fine. I could just buy other diamond ones if I wanted to. However, I don't think anyone sells diamond earrings unlike silver or steel, which is apparently the only material that my ears could handle. So I don't know what I'm really gonna do there. Nonetheless, just for curiosity reasons, we're gonna be testing these puppies. They're actually not too dope. They were pretty cheap. They were about 400 bucks. I sound awful saying that because it's a lot of money, but they're not that good. The next things I'm really stoked to test, and you guys have been hitting me up so much for, is first off, and I'm gonna have a link in the description for this, are these diamond teeth we just unboxed, which I am so stoked for. So stoked that I hit up the jewelers I bought it from. Their link is at the very top of the description there. Shout out my boy over Empire Jewelers for just hooking it up. He like, dope dude, dope dude. And I actually have some more coming in for this side because I thought they were really cool. So we're gonna diamond test those. Haven't done that yet. And then last thing we're gonna diamond test is these cool chains that we just got that we're gonna also add to my little setup here. And these, man, we got it in both colorways right here. They got the little diamonds in there. These are from, don't worry about my fingernails, bro. I was digging in the mud. Actually, it might be spray paint. I was spray painting my garage. My girlfriend's not stoked. Anyway, this is from my boy over at North Jewelry jewelry that just hooked us up with these, so he's also gonna have a link in the description as well. We're just gonna go through all this stuff. Oh man, let's get into it. I'm stoked to be back. I'm sorry that we're just coming back with like a kind of, you know, less interesting video to maybe some people, but for the haters, man, you want to see this video probably because you want me to fail. So the first thing we're just gonna diamond test are these little things right here. Now this is why I say they're kind of crappy. It's just not the best diamond cut. I could have gotten something so much better for the price if I actually searched. Didn't. Thankfully these don't really work in my ears, so you know, I could go get some more. But as you guys can see, it just turned off, bro. Everyone always calls me out for wearing fake stuff. First off, if it is real, it's gonna go green like that, so that's how we know. We're just gonna take it to these right now. Actually, I didn't even work with this jeweler, so I'm gonna be peeved if this isn't real. I'm gonna be very mad. Blue's moissanite. We're gonna give that another go. Maybe I should clean it off a little bit. Don't screw with me. Because at one point, man, something comes out fake and I get, no, don't, just chill. It's summer, it's nice outside, bro. No. Okay, red means I'm hitting metal like that. Dude, what? What is this? What is going on here? That broke. I can't even take that back now. Actually, I will. Screw it. First one. There we go. What? Alright, so I just took another, like, maybe 5 minutes testing this. This jeweler is obviously not going to be linked in the description. Actually, it was kind of rude, too. Now it's going green. What a nice way to fool someone. Yeah, it's real diamonds, but when you come in to buy it from me, guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to hit that right diamond, just like this. The one diamond that's probably real. Unless you order it online, you bring it home and it does this. Okay, it's blue again. That sucks. Okay, so that I just got ripped off, scammed on. Great. On to the next. These ones right here, man. These I already know are real. He's my boy. You know what I mean? We got the teeth right there over from Empire Jewelers. As you guys know, I just got no diamonds on this one because when I have them in my mouth, like this, you can't see it anyway, at all. So it didn't make sense to me, but I really, really like them. Like I say, I'm getting more on the other side. So we're gonna test these real quick. These are actually, not VS diamonds, these are SI. But he said, he's like, bro, they're good. And they look really good. They shine so well in the sunlight, man. So what we're gonna do here, I already turned this thing off. Get it right up there and... Let's go! Nowhere else for brand. Okay, we're gonna probably take it all on this last one, boys. This one, I said last video, I didn't think they would be real. However, I'm still, because they're so small, nobody can really see it. And it's actual real, like, it's real silver, it's real stuff, and he's my boy. I still really want to rock it. Like, it's like something that I'm like I definitely will. I definitely will. But he told me the price point on them, nor would I ever expect to get anything diamond for free or anything for free from anyone. These can't be real, but no harm done because he never told me they were or anything like that. But if you are looking, my boy over at North Jewelry, he's got insane prices on silvers and stuff like that. I think he's got some gold on there too. Really good prices. I've actually got it tested before. He sent me a lot of pieces in the past. And he's a good, sorry, red is just metal. Red's just metal. Or was red even like... See, these are real small. Okay, I got it down and yeah, nothing happened. So these ones aren't real. That's cool. I can't believe we took it all in the earrings. That's insane to me. This same earring that's been sinking into my ear, you can't even see the other side, but my ear sucked it up, bro. My ear sucked up that one side of it, and it's just been painful. And now I'm figuring it out, well, maybe it's real, I don't know. Maybe I'm doing this wrong, but it definitely worked on the teeth, definitely worked on this right away. And also it's just bent. That's probably from hitting the pillow. It's the worst. This sucks. But we don't care about him. Anyway, these boys hooked it up. NameBranFam.com. I guess I'm not wearing these earrings anymore. Oh, and the only ones I have to replace with them are other fake earrings. I'm gonna wear other fake ones, so you guys just have to suck it up until we get more. Appreciate y'all for watching. Merc of the Game, the greatest of all time. Y'all the goats. NameBran fam's real strong, man. Once again, I'm proving to y'all that I flex, but I also still get ripped off. Always, apparently. I'm really trying to act like I'm not peeved about those earrings, but we all know I am. Blow.